How are you, viewers? We know that many of you have tried losing weight at one point of time. Most of you dream of getting a flat stomach. Thanks to white fat stored in our bellies, this task is easier said than done. What if we told you that a few changes in your diet could help you achieve this goal of yours? Certain types of food can help you achieve a flat tummy, starting from eggs to avocados and spinach. In this video, we're going to talk about them all and more, so let's begin. Number 1. Greek yogurt. One of the best ways to get a flat belly is to prevent it from bloating. One food that can stop bloating is Greek yogurt. It contains probiotics and good bacteria. When your gut is filled with good bacteria, they take care of the other microorganisms that make way into your gut. More importantly, it decimates the bacteria that promotes bloating. Yogurt also helps to balance the microflora in your tummy. Because of this reason, you stay full for a long period of time. So if you're someone who's looking to lose weight, this should be one of your go-to foods. Additionally, it's a good source of protein. Just make sure that you check the label that reads live bacteria before you buy yogurt. Alright, now let's move on to the next one. Number 2. Almonds. You want a snack, but you don't want to gain too much belly fat. Well, you can try munching on some almonds. It's a well-known fact that almonds are rich in monounsaturated fatty acids. This component helps you control your hunger and burn the excessive fat. Almonds are also a rich source of magnesium. It's considered one of the best snacks for people who have issues maintaining their blood sugar levels. Almonds also help to stabilize the blood pressure of a human body. But that's not all. Almonds also contain vitamin E and fiber. Fiber is one of the most well-known catalysts of weight loss. No wonder almonds can help you achieve a flat tummy. Speaking of which, let's go on to the next food. Number 3. Grapefruit. What is so special about grapefruits? Well, for starters, they contain one of the most necessary nutrients, vitamin C. It's responsible for the production of collagen in your skin, as well as strengthening your muscles and bones. Of course, that's not the reason why you're here. You want to know how it can help you lose weight. The answer is simple. It contains certain enzymes. These enzymes help the digestion process and keep the tummy full for a longer period of time. This allows the body to burn fat and helps achieve your goal to get a flat stomach. Of course, it also contains a very high pH level, so avoid having too much of this fruit. Stick to a maximum of 2 to 3 grapefruits a day. Since we've got fruit on the list, let's talk about the next one. Number 4. Avocado. Avocado should be your favorite fruit if you're looking for a flat tummy. Don't be surprised, avocado is actually a very healthy fruit. It contains fiber, which we've already said helps to burn fat and keep the stomach full for a longer period of time. Apart from that, it also contains another nutrient, monounsaturated fatty acids. Just like almonds, avocados also contain monounsaturated fatty acids. If you can have at least one avocado every day, you'll be able to keep most of your stomach-related problems at bay. Avocado has the ability to help you lose weight, while making sure that you aren't losing out on nutrition. In other words, avocado is the best friend you never knew you had. Come to think of it, we've discussed 2 different types of food that contain monounsaturated fats. The next one has it too. It isn't a fruit. Number 5. Dark chocolate. After almonds and avocados, we come to one of the major sources of monounsaturated fatty acids, dark chocolate. Now, you might be wondering if chocolate is safe for you. Well, as long as you can get chocolates that have more than 65% cocoa in them, you'll be just fine. Dark chocolates have been found to boost metabolism and help with sore throats. Because of these reasons, the popularity of dark chocolate is on the rise. It's also a good source of magnesium. Of course, it is still chocolate, and consuming too much of it can add too many calories to your diet. This is why it's necessary that you keep the amount of dark chocolates you have in a day in check. In moderate amounts, dark chocolate is very helpful for your body. On that note, let's move on to the next one. Number 6. Chili peppers. Do you like chili peppers? Chili peppers come in many shapes and sizes, starting all the way from the Naga Viper pepper to Carolina Reaper. While having too much can be awful for your digestive system, having a controlled amount can do wonders. Yes, you heard that right, chili peppers can be good for your body. The capsaicin present in chili peppers help in burning fat, which in turn leads to weight loss. Since you're looking for a flat tummy, this one's definitely for you. In case you aren't into spicy food, we wouldn't recommend starting with a very spicy chili pepper. Try something that's less spicy instead, like a jalapeno or serrano, as they are medium spicy. Another interesting thing about chili pepper is that it boosts your metabolism. Once again, this is because of the capsaicin present in the chili peppers that helps you. Unfortunately, many of you may not like it because chili peppers are spicy. For you, here's the next one. Number 7. Ginger. By now, ginger should have achieved legendary status among the roots of all plants. Its only problem is that it's highly acidic. For starters, ginger has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. This makes it one of the best natural remedies for cold, coughs, and sickness. These properties are also good when it comes to dealing with stomach problems, as long as you don't overdo it. A balanced intake of ginger can burn fat without hampering your digestion process. This would lead to a flat tummy within a few months. Researchers also agree that consuming ginger is one of the best ways to lose weight naturally. Of course, this doesn't mean that you won't have to go for a run or do exercise. It's just that ginger will help when you're working hard to lose fat. The next one is another natural remedy that you probably didn't expect on this list. Number 8. Apple. Boomers say an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Well, we don't know if an apple can keep the doctor away, but it can sure help you lose weight. Apples have the ability to help you feel full. This helps in delaying the process of digestion, thus making sure that you don't feel hungry so quickly. How is an apple capable of doing that? Well, it's because apple contains a very important nutrient, fiber. If you've been following our videos, we've discussed at length the benefits of fiber. Even in this video, we've talked about it. We'll give you the short answer. Fiber helps to burn fat. You get closer to achieving your goal, which is a flat tummy. Come to think of it, maybe an apple a day can keep the diet chart away. No, that sounds too much like a bold claim. Anyway, let's move on to the next point. Number 9. Salmon. When you have belly fat and you can't decide what to eat, you should turn to salmon. While there are many ways of consuming salmon, but you want to get its full value, we would suggest that you grill it. Grilling makes sure the fish is soft and cooked, but it doesn't lose its nutrients. Salmon does 2 things to your body. The first thing is that it boosts metabolism. If salmon is part of your regular diet, then you wouldn't have a problem feeling hungry in a very short period of time. The second thing is that it helps burn the excessive fat in your body. Oh, and you gotta show some love for omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for your good health. Impressed yet? No? Don't worry, we aren't done yet. Moving on to the next point. Number 10. Green tea. Alright, let's do an analysis of some of the previous points. If you're sensitive to dairy, then you can't have yogurt. You may not like salmon or, for that matter, almonds, yet you still want to achieve a flat tummy. You dream about it every day, you're working and need a little push? Well, you can turn to a good old cup of green tea. Green tea is essentially a cup of healthy antioxidants that can help boost your immune system. More importantly, it burns fat. A cup of green tea any time of the day can help you burn a lot of fat. So your dreams of getting a flat belly may not be as far as you think. Just make sure that you're exercising along with drinking green tea. At the end of the day, it's your body and you need to be the one burning the fat. So which of these foods have you tried to burn belly fat? Let us know in the comments. We would love to hear from you. Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Bestie. Wait, what kind of bestie are we if we don't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video and enjoy.